Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And right now, gold is standing at 1938. This is the current market price. And yesterday, we saw a perfect bounce from the 50 moving average. Yesterday, I gave you two levels, that is the 50 moving average and the 1900 to 1901, and we saw a perfect bounce from the level of 1916 level. And my dear friends, yesterday I received around 45 emails, okay, thanking me. Okay, this is my duty. I'm just sharing whatever I have learned so far. So thank you so much. Okay, thanks a ton for all the love and support. So, my dear friends, there is no doubt that gold is an uptrend. And yesterday, I also mentioned that if gold goes up, also there is a possibility that gold will be coming down for some retracement. Okay. Still, you can see that there is not much buying power, crazy buying power in the market. Yes, the market is an uptrend. There is no doubt, but the buying power is slowly missing. In fact, we can also see a wedge pattern on the chart, and wedge pattern is a trend reversal pattern. Okay. And we can clearly see that though the market is an uptrend, but gold is still inside the resistance zone. So gold is not out of danger, but the overall sentiment on the chart of gold is bullish. There is no doubt. If you look at the sentiment meter here, okay, it is the Forex sentiment meter. In the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that retail traders, okay, 77% retail traders have taken short position. Where they have taken short position? Around 1849. And only 22% retail traders are on the buy side. Okay. And this is the COT report. We can see 72.5%. Okay. Almost 73% institutions have taken buy positions. So 77% have taken sell and 72% have taken buy. 72% institutions have taken buy. So who runs the market? Obviously, institutions run the market. So as a result, there's a higher chance of gold going up because 72.5% institutions have taken buy position. And we always see market moving against the sentiment meter. So in the long run, or for in a couple of days, weeks, okay, there's a good chance that gold will be going higher and we will see further fall on the chart of DXY. My dear friends, I have an announcement to make, and that is the Pro Trader program. The workshop is back again. Yes, the workshop is back again after 2 months, I guess. So you just need to go to the Pro Trader section on our website. The link will be in the description. Okay, I have made some changes. That's why I'm showing you. Okay, just click on the enter button. Okay, the website has been designed by me. So there are a few question and answers. Okay, if you really need the Pro Trader program or a workshop, okay, you can just go to the questions. If you are facing these problems or any of the problems, then you can sign up. But if your problem is not placed here, then yes, there is no need to join the workshop. You simply need to work on your risk management or simply need to work on your trading skills. That's it. Okay, you don't need any external help. Okay, so after that, you will see my story. Okay, so that we can understand that nothing is impossible. Then see three pillars of the Pro Trader program. Why you should be joining the Pro Trader program? Actually, I have joined Pro Trader and the workshop. Okay, just to avoid the confusion. And yes, the workshop is both Hindi and English. दोनों language में होता है, हिंदी और English. आप लोग join कर सकते हैं. Okay. उसके बाद क्या क्या सीखने को मिलेगा? Whatever you'll be learning during the workshop, okay, everything is mentioned here. Okay, the workshop is mostly designed for those who have been struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. If you are struggling with the market, if you really like my work, if you want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the workshop. Okay, otherwise, if you're very much new to the market, then it's simply you can go for self-learning or any other stuff. Okay, so this is it, and see the world's most affordable workshop because the price is only this. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the chart. And yes, after the workshop you'll also receive 1 month support. Okay, so hopefully you'll love it. So what is the possibility here? The first possibility is, see, for a proper breakout, gold needs to cross this level here. Okay, gold needs to cross this level and go higher. So today, if gold goes up also, and if the volatility of the market remains like this, then there's a high chance that gold will be again reversing from 1945 level. Okay, 1944-45 level, because we can see the trend line at the top is acting as a dynamic resistance right now. Okay, yes, in an uptrend market, taking a sell position is not very safe. But daredevil traders, okay, the risk takers, you can consider taking a sell position if you see market reversing from the trend line at the top. Personally, I will just request the beginners, new traders with low capital not to go against the trend of the market. Okay, so around 1944-45, if market reverses after hitting the trend line, you can go for a sell position, the risk takers. Yeah, otherwise you just avoid it. See, first of all, you need to understand the market is struggling around this area. So market needs to cross this level, then only the trend of the market will continue. But if you look at the daily chart, then we can clearly see that already have mentioned also that there is no resistance on the chart right now. You can see this was the resistance. Okay, market has crossed it, and the next resistance is around 2000 level only. So technically there is no proper resistance on the chart of gold right now. Okay, so as we have a wedge pattern also on the chart, there is a possibility that in the coming days, listen to me carefully, in the coming days, market may come down. Yes, market may come down, but as the 72% institutions are on the buy side, so it may not be a trend reversal. Okay, try to understand my point here. Market will be coming down, but it may not be a trend reversal, because after all, the institutions are on the buy side. So what may happen is market may come down and market may take support around 1900 1901 level. Okay, because we have a good support zone around this level. If market comes down and bounces, obviously we can go for a buy position. During the day, okay, during the day there is a possibility that market may come down. Then we have got multiple supports on the chart, but keep in mind the next big support, I'm repeating again, the next big support on the chart of gold is 1900 to 1901 only. Okay, yes, we also have got some support around 1910 1911 as well, but this is a much stronger support. Okay, 1910 1911 may or may not work, but 1900 is a stronger support on the chart. And during the day, if there is not much volatility, then we have some weak supports also. We have some weak support around 1930 level. Let me write it down. We have some weak support on 1930 level and 1929 1927. Okay, these two are weak support levels. Okay, so these two support are for mostly day traders only. Weak support means it may work, may not work. Okay, see, every chart has got some strong support and weak support. 1900 is a strong support. 1910 is also a modest good support, but 1930 to 1927 is a weak support. It means that during the day on the 15 minutes time frame, if you see market coming down, taking support and bouncing, you can look for a profit of 30 pips, 35 pips. Okay, so not more than that. If market bounces, then only take a buy position. In case you see market coming down forming big red candles, just avoid considering any buy position around 1930 to 1927 level. In that case, what you can do is, okay, you can just keep your eyes on the trend line at the bottom as well. Okay, trend line at the bottom or the 50 moving average that did the job yesterday. Okay, so it will be around 1921 22. I cannot give you the exact number, but during the live market, okay, during the live market you'll get to know. But I think the number will be around 1920 to 1921. Okay, that can be a good support, not 1927 or 1930. And in case the sale is very high, then obviously you keep your eyes on 1910 and 1900 level, these two support levels. And on the other hand, if there is a good buy in the market, okay, if you see market going up, then you can consider taking a buy position also. But yes, as I have already discussed previously, that do not take a buy position immediately, because there is a risk of false breakout. So the only way to save yourself from false breakout is to buy at retracement. Okay, you can buy at retracement. When market come down for retracement and bounce again, you can go for a buy position. Okay, that's it. This is my lesson, my dear friend. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And do not forget to check out the Pro Trader program, the workshop. Okay, if you really want to learn, then feel you're most welcome. Bye-bye. Take care.